What's going on, ladies and gentlemen of YouTube? It's Dad here from Dad Simply Cooking, and happy Thursday. But today we're making the best Dad's chocolate chip cookie.
Okay.
So I made these the other day from scratch, and wow, they were amazing. Jerry looked at me and said, "Why didn't you make a video on these?" And I said, "I don't know, but I'm gonna do it right. I'm gonna do it today." So preheat your oven to 350 degrees, and let's go.
Do it!
So, very simple, plain, easy Jane. The best chocolate chip cookies I've made to date. They looked amazing, I'm not gonna lie. So I have 3 cups of flour, cup and 1/4 of brown sugar, a half a cup of granulated sugar, 2 teaspoons of cornstarch, 1 teaspoon of baking soda. I have a teaspoon of vanilla and a teaspoon of salt. And then chocolate chips, as much as you want. A little bit less, a little bit more. About 2 1/4 cups. If you want to go off the recipe. I have here some chocolate bars I have chopped up into little quarter pieces. And then I have some chocolate chips.
Chocolate! Chocolate!
I'm excited. Let's get into this. We're going to mix this up into our mixer. Also, 2 sticks of butter, okay? So it's a half a cup of butter, which equals out to 2 sticks. Did not put my butter out. I needed room temperature butter. And so I have it in the microwave 30 seconds. Kind of like make it a little mushy, but not too mushy. All right, room temperature butter. And this is unsalted butter. Unsalted butter. So we're gonna put our butter in. Toss these out right fast. So unsalted butter, our brown sugar, and then our granulated sugar. Go ahead and pour my cornstarch and baking soda on it with my flour. And my salt. Salt is key, y'all. Snap. I forgot. 2 eggs. Dose. 2 eggs. Get my mixer, lock it in. Start mixing that up. Let's grab 2 eggs. I add my egg. Uno.
That's Jason Bourne.
Egg. Bloop. Snap. And we're just going to make sure everything gets mixed in well together. That's key. Which, speaking of which, we did pour in baking soda, cornstarch, and some salt in this. So I do want to mix that all up and get it well incorporated. And if you don't have one of those like medium ice cream scoopers, I got this one from Walmart, and this is like the perfect size to make the perfect cookie. Once you're satisfied with what this is looking like, what we're gonna do is I'm gonna add my chocolate chips on in. About half. A little bit of the chunks. And I also have some morsels, some little itty bitty chocolates. Not too much on that one. Mix it up before we add our flour. Now, I got 3 cups of flour here. So I'm just gonna slowly scoop it in. And lock it in and mix. I'm adding a little bit more flour. And then we're just going to refrigerate this for 30 minutes. So set a timer.
Do it!
All right, it's been 30 minutes already. All right. And then we're just going to take our ice cream scooper here. And I don't want it extra. I want it just like that. That's the perfect amount. We're going to leave it just like that. Now, we have some extra goodies here left, so you can take some of those big chocolate chips. And we're decorating the top. We want these cookies to stand out. We want them to shine. So take a few of those. Take some of my chocolate chunks. Now you don't have to do that. You can literally just do the cookie balls, and they're going to taste amazing. And pop those in the oven. About 15 minutes, give or take-ish. 15-ish. Look at this. The best chocolate chip cookies I have ever made. Hands down, they're delicious. They're cooked perfectly on the bottom. I'm coming in for a close-up for this, okay? Cooked perfectly on the bottom. And then, look at that gooey inside. Oh. I ain't gonna lie. I've ate like 2 of them already, okay? I've ate 2 of them already. Because they are amazing. The best cookies I've ever made. Phenomenal. Easy, simple, y'all. Oh. And you can't tell me that don't look good. So y'all make these cookies, share them with your loved ones. Let them know, hey, they're homemade. I made them from the heart. I'm going to say, can I get the recipe? And you can give it to them, or you can say, no. But y'all, recipes in the description below. I'll catch you in the next one. Make sure, if you guys will do me a huge favor, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Share this with someone you love. Let me know your favorite type of cookie, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace!